Welcome to Chanel Eclectic. In this video you will see me do some almond shaped nails using one of my new glitter colors and some stamping, so stay tuned and enjoy. First I'm going to prep the nails by etching the nail plate, pushing back the cuticles, removing any of that dead skin, and then I will prepare to apply my tips. If you have any suggestions about any nail shapes that you would like to see me try, please comment about that below. I personally love the coffin shape, so tell me what your favorite shape is. You want to make sure that you remove all of the dead skin that you can, because if you do not, your lifting can be increased. If you need to, you can clip back some of the cuticle that has lifted. But only do this if you know exactly what you're doing. Now I'm going to spray and wipe her hands to remove the dust. And now I'm going to pick out the right sizes for her tips and then apply them. I like to use the 30-second nail glue by Kiss. Make sure you apply pressure to the nail so that the nail can adhere properly. Now I'm going to use my tip cutter and just shorten the nails to her desired length. Then I'm going to use this fingernail clipper to remove the edges so that when I file into the almond shape, my job can be a little bit easier. Here I'm just filing into that almond shape. And I also like to file on top of the tip to blend it in with the natural nail. When doing my almond shaping, I like to taper the sides and then round the tip out. If you are enjoying this video, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Now I'm going to use my Mia Secret in the color Cover Pink to cover her nail bed. After the acrylic has set on her nail bed, I'm going to go back in and apply a little bit more of that cover pink on her nails. And I'm going to leave the tip uncovered. So I'm just going to put a little of the color pink over the nail, but I'm not covering the entire nail. And I did this because I wanted a little transparency on the tip. I'm also applying a thin layer because I will be going in with glitter and I will also be capping. Now I'm going to get ready to apply the glitter. This glitter is called Bubbles. You can purchase this from my website, which I will have on the screen for you all. I'm going to use the Mia Secret Clear to apply the glitter to the nail. I'm first going to apply a little of the clear and then dip my wet brush into the glitter. I am going to do one nail full glitter and the others I'm going to apply the glitter going along the side. And you can see how that cover pink gave me a nice base. It is a great nail bed color. Make sure that you keep your glitter as thin as possible so that when you encapsulate the nails that they are not bulky. Now I'm going to encapsulate the nails and I'm going to start at the tip since this area is the thinnest, and I'm going to use the clear acrylic to build my strength. Make sure you check my store out. I have a lot of different glitters available. If you see one that you like and you want to see me do a tutorial on that particular glitter, please comment about that below. Now I'm going back in with clear for the second time, and I like to let my layers set first. This helps me keep my layers thin and stops the nails from being too bulky. If you are not following me on Instagram, please go on over and do that. These are the nails after I finish the acrylic. This is the glitter that I use. Don't forget to go and pick that up. Now I'm going to file, buff, and shape the nails. And these are the finished results. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you check out my other nail tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.